The most unexpected moments caught on doorbell camera. CCTV footage captured a delivery driver carrying a pizza package to the porch when something unexpected happened. The man was unaware of the squirrel hiding on the ceiling. When the homeowner opened the door, a surprise incident happened. The squirrel suddenly jumped into the house, making the woman extremely scared and the delivery man feeling dumbfounded and confused.
Thank you, squirrel. Oh my God!
The silence and confusion were broken when the husband came out to receive the package.
Thank you, squirrel.
All three of them laughed heartily because of the squirrel's sudden jump.